Gates open, they're up and racing. Italia draws for your lead, moving up Sugar Daddy Royal Academy in between runners. Then comes exciting, alam mo na yan. Also moving up, Happy Hour is by the rail. Then trailing the group is Speed to Riches past the last 900 and working to the final 800 meters. It's still leading the field, Italia, by about 3 lengths. Racing in second, Royal Academy. Happy Hour moving up down on the inside. Then racing in fourth, alam mo na yan. Down in fifth by the rail is Sugar Daddy, exciting, and Speed to Riches is still running at the tail of the field as they come up towards the last 400. We have Italia still moving up by the rail is Happy Hour to grab the lead. Royal Academy with the last 150 more to run. Happy Hour this time draws clear by about 6 lengths over Royal Academy. With the last 75 meters, it's Happy Hour. Second, Royal Academy, Italia Sugar Daddy. Alam mo na yan, Speed to Riches and exciting.